Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best automatic egg incubators for chicken and duck eggs available on the market right now. If you're looking for a reliable incubator to hatch eggs at home, in your classroom, or on a farm, you're in the right place. You can check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, without further ado, let's get started with the countdown. Starting off at number 5, we have the Silven Spark Kitchen 12 egg capacity automatic egg incubator. This compact incubator is designed for those who prioritize precision and efficiency. It features a real-time digital display that accurately monitors temperature and humidity levels, ensuring a stable environment for the eggs. The automatic egg turning mechanism mimics natural hen behavior, stopping 3 days before hatching to give the embryos time to prepare. The build quality is impressive for its size, with food-grade ABS construction and insulated walls to maintain consistent temperatures. The 360-degree transparent lid provides a clear view of the hatching process, which is great for educational purposes or simply for keeping an eye on development. Additionally, the dual external water tanks reduce the need for frequent refills and help maintain stable humidity levels. However, with a capacity of just 12 eggs, it's more suited for small-scale hatching projects. While this incubator is user-friendly and packed with smart features, its smaller capacity makes it less ideal for larger operations. It's best for beginners, hobbyists, or classrooms wanting to learn the basics of incubation. The Silven Spark Kitchen Incubator is a reliable entry-level option, but if you're looking for something with more capacity, stay tuned for the next options in our list. At number 4, we have the Anju 2025 Upgrade 18-Egg Incubator. This incubator combines functionality with versatility, offering enough space for up to 18 chicken or duck eggs, or as many as 40 quail and parrot eggs. It features an adjustable temperature control system and a built-in fan for airflow circulation, ensuring even heat distribution throughout the incubation process. What sets this incubator apart is its stable humidity management system, which uses dual independent water bottles for automatic refilling without needing you to open the lid. This reduces humidity fluctuations and enhances the overall hatching success rate. The automatic egg turning system rotates the eggs every 2 hours and halts 3 days before hatching, allowing for optimal embryo development. Additionally, the integrated egg candler light and 360 degrees transparent lid make it easy to monitor progress. While the Anju 2025 upgrade is a solid performer, it's slightly bulkier compared to others on this list, and its interface could be more intuitive for first-time users. Still, it's an excellent choice for intermediate users who need a reliable incubator for medium-sized batches. Whether you're running a small farm, conducting a science project, or hatching eggs as a hobby, this incubator has you covered. Coming in at number 3 is the ABDO 12-Egg Capacity Incubator. This incubator is a compact yet functional option for those looking to hatch a small batch of eggs. It boasts an automatic egg turning system that can be set to rotate every 60, 120, or 180 minutes, and it stops 3 days before hatching to protect the embryos. The external water refill system is a fantastic feature, allowing you to maintain consistent humidity without opening the incubator and disrupting the internal environment. The design is sleek, with a durable ABS plastic build and a 360-degree transparent cover for easy monitoring of the hatching process. The built-in LED candler is another highlight, enabling you to check embryo development without needing separate equipment. At just 2.9 pounds, this incubator is lightweight and easy to move, making it a great choice for home use or small educational setups. While the ABDO incubator performs well for its size, its smaller capacity means it's not ideal for those looking to hatch larger quantities. It's a fantastic beginner-friendly option with intuitive controls and reliable performance. If you're looking for a compact, easy-to-use incubator, this one is worth considering. At number 2, we have the Anju Egg Incubator with a capacity for 18 eggs. This incubator is designed for versatility and precision, making it a top choice for home, classroom, and small farm use. It features a digital interface with adjustable temperature settings, as well as built-in airflow circulation for consistent heat distribution. The automatic egg turning system is customizable, allowing rotations every 1, 2, or 3 hours. And it stops 4 days before hatching for optimal results. One of the standout features is the dual water bottle system, which automatically regulates humidity without the need for manual refills. This ensures stable incubation conditions and reduces the chances of human error. The integrated LED candler and 360 degrees transparent dome allow you to monitor the progress of your eggs with ease, making this incubator both functional and user-friendly. While this model is slightly more expensive than some of the others, its combination of advanced features and reliability makes it well worth the investment. It's perfect for those who want a professional-grade incubator that's also easy to use. Whether you're hatching chicken, duck, or even parrot eggs, the Anju egg incubator delivers consistent, high-quality results. Finally, at the #1 spot, we have the ABDO 18-egg incubator, which truly stands out as the best overall option on the market. This incubator combines versatility, precision, and ease of use in a single package. It features an automatic egg turning system that can be set to rotate at 60, 120, or 180-minute intervals, stopping 4 days before hatching. The dual egg trays accommodate both standard-sized and larger eggs, making it suitable for chickens, ducks, turkeys, and more. One of the most impressive features is the multifunctional display, which provides real-time information on incubation days, temperature, humidity, and egg turning status. The built-in egg candler makes it easy to monitor embryo development, while the automatic water refill system maintains stable humidity levels throughout the cycle. The quiet operation and robust build quality further enhance the user experience, making it ideal for home, farm, or classroom use. With a 3-year warranty and lifetime after-sales support, the ABDO incubator offers exceptional value for its price. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced users looking for a reliable incubator with advanced features. If you're serious about hatching eggs, this is the incubator to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews like this one. If you have any questions about these products, let me know in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.